I'm Katie Jeffries. We are so glad you are here with us. We also have meteorologist Lewis Turner, meteorologist Robert Spetta. So we are ready to go, ready to cover Debbie for you this morning, and we've already started to see really some heavy rain starting in.
You know what's a Florida thing? You know, I think a lot of folks, you're preparing for a storm and it's, we got to get water, we got to get bread and eggs and milk and all that. You know, all of my neighbors yesterday, because they knew rain was coming, were mowing their lawns.
Oh, okay.
Oh, well, cold beers, that goes without
I'm just saying.
But I'm saying, everybody's, I got to get my grass ready because I know I'm about to get some good water. And you are going to get a ton of water. That is, I think, story 1A here with Hurricane Debby, 6 a.m. advisory, 80-mile-an-hour wind, still waiting for the official landfall call, which will happen very shortly here in the Big Bend. But so much rain going to be falling here over the next couple of days from Jacksonville up north to southeast Georgia, where more than a foot of rain could fall for our friends there in Brunswick, Glenn County, St. Simon's Island. Watch them very, very carefully. In Camden County, you're actually about to get a really heavy downpour as well. So for Kingsland and St. Mary's. So now through Tuesday is your big impacts, right? So right now, let's get through Tuesday evening. That'll be the biggest of the impacts. Heavy rain, an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. In fact, we're starting to see some spin happening on radar. Prep for the flooding. Charge your devices in case we do get some power outages. Where you see highlighted in yellow there is the tornado watch that's with us through the afternoon. A zoom in now on this eyewall, Horseshoe Beach, right around that region. Robert Spetta was reporting we had a 96-mile-an-hour wind gust here with this Category 1 hurricane. Zooming up to Lake City, where we've got team coverage. They're in a band right now. And I had just mentioned the heavy rainfall. Look at this, the reds, the dark reds. This is blinding deluge rain with a bit of a gust ahead of it. So St. Mary's, this is just now crossing the St. Mary's River, Highway 40. So lifting up towards you now in Kingsland, St. Mary's, you're on the very leading edge of a pretty strong band. And zooming out just a bit, we had noted, Robert had mentioned just a moment ago, the potential for a water spout off the coast of Brunswick. A couple of cells here that would have that potential for it. One that would be moving up towards Glenn County now, up towards St. Simon's Island. This more of a straight line wind, this in particular cell that is going to make its way onshore. This cell here still well offshore. It's over some really, really warm water, but noted a little bit of rotation. Nothing warned. Obviously, we need to get closer to land first, but this trajectory has more of a McIntosh County move. We'll continue to watch this cell and all of these, as you can see, kind of as we put the loop, all of these individual yellows and reds. These cells have the potential of creating a tornado. That's why we have that watch in place and the potential for warnings. I want to show you a computer model is to think about our timing as we go through today into Tuesday as well. This is just one model. There are a couple that have some differing opinions. It seems like the National Hurricane Center is leaning on this one in particular, but we go through the end of the work week and you're looking pretty good. The 7-day forecast highlighting Monday and Tuesday as our big weather impact days. As we get to Wednesday, Thursday, we kind of get the more normal afternoon convection. All right, let's get a check of our commute now with Katie Jeffries in the UF Health Traffic Center.